Today, we'll explore the amazing benefits of this versatile oil before bed, from improving your sleep quality to reducing joint pains, from relieving constipation to reducing wrinkles. In this video, you will learn how to use castor oil in your daily life, so stick to the end. Before we start, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and help us reach our next milestone of 250 subscribers. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the castor plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. This oil has been treasured for centuries, dating back to ancient Egypt, where it was used for medicinal purposes and even as a beauty treatment. Cleopatra, renowned for her beauty, was said to have used castor oil to brighten the whites of her eyes. In India, castor oil is a staple in Ayurveda, the traditional system of medicine, where it's used to balance the body's doshas and promote overall health. Rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, castor oil is a powerhouse of benefits. It contains vitamin E, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, and a host of beneficial minerals that contribute to its healing properties. Now, let's dive into the 12 amazing benefits of using 2 drops of castor oil before bed. 1. Improve sleep quality. Castor oil can significantly enhance your sleep quality. By applying a couple of drops on your eyelids before bed, you can create a calming effect. The oil's soothing properties help to relax the mind and body, reducing stress and anxiety. This simple nightly ritual can lead to deeper, more restful sleep, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Imagine drifting off to sleep effortlessly and waking up without that groggy feeling. Castor oil works wonders by stimulating the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, which helps regulate your sleep cycle. This means better sleep quality and more productive days. Moreover, castor oil's natural scent can have a tranquilizing effect, creating the perfect environment for a good night's rest. 2. Relieves constipation. Castor oil is renowned for its natural laxative properties. Consuming a small amount before bed can help stimulate bowel movements. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil activates the intestinal muscles, promoting regularity. This can be particularly beneficial for those who suffer from chronic constipation, providing relief and improving overall digestive health. Castor oil acts as a powerful stimulant laxative, ensuring that your digestive system runs smoothly. By increasing the movement of your intestines, it helps in the easy passage of stool. This not only provides immediate relief, but also promotes long-term gut health. Regular use can prevent constipation from recurring, making your mornings much more comfortable. 3. Boosts immune system. Regular use of castor oil can enhance your immune system. The oil's ability to increase the production of lymphocytes, the body's natural disease-fighting cells, helps to fortify your immune response. This means that your body can better fight off infections and illnesses, keeping you healthier in the long run. Castor oil stimulates the lymphatic system, which is crucial for detoxification and immune function. By improving lymphatic drainage, it helps remove toxins from your body, allowing your immune system to function more efficiently. This means fewer colds, quicker recovery times, and overall better health. 4. Reduces joint pain. Castor oil is a natural remedy for joint pain and inflammation. By massaging the oil into sore joints, you can benefit from its anti-inflammatory properties. The ricinoleic acid helps to reduce swelling and pain, providing relief for conditions like arthritis. Regular use can improve joint mobility and reduce discomfort, making it easier to move and perform daily activities. The warmth of castor oil penetrates deeply into the skin, soothing sore muscles and joints. It's particularly effective for chronic conditions like arthritis, where regular application can lead to significant improvements in pain and mobility. Additionally, the massage itself stimulates blood flow, further aiding in pain relief and healing. 5. Promotes hair growth. Applying castor oil to your scalp can work wonders for your hair. The oil's nourishing properties stimulate hair follicles, promoting hair growth. It also helps to strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and split ends. Additionally, castor oil is an excellent moisturizer, keeping your scalp hydrated and preventing dandruff. For those experiencing hair loss or thinning, castor oil can be a natural and effective solution. The high concentration of ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps increase blood circulation to the scalp ensuring that hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to grow healthy and strong. Regular application can lead to thicker, shinier hair. Plus, castor oil's antifungal properties help combat scalp infections, keeping your hair and scalp healthy. 6. Hydrate skin. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. Its high content of fatty acids helps to lock in moisture, keeping your skin soft and hydrated. Applying a few drops to your face before bed can alleviate dryness and flakiness, leaving your skin looking healthy and radiant. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties also help to soothe irritated skin, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin conditions like eczema. Castor oil forms a protective barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss and keeping your skin hydrated for longer. Its emollient properties make it perfect for addressing rough patches, dry elbows, and cracked heels. Regular use can lead to smoother, more supple skin that feels soft to the touch. 7. Heals wounds. The antibacterial properties of castor oil make it effective in healing minor cuts and wounds. By applying the oil to a wound, you can prevent infection and promote faster healing. The oil's moisturizing properties also help to keep the wound area hydrated, reducing the risk of scarring. This makes castor oil a valuable addition to your first aid kit. Castor oil's ability to penetrate deeply into the skin means it can deliver nutrients directly to the site of the injury, speeding up the healing process. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and redness, while its antimicrobial action prevents infection. This ensures that wounds heal cleanly and quickly. Reduces wrinkles. The antioxidants in castor oil can help combat the signs of aging. Applying the oil to your skin can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The oil's ability to penetrate deep into the skin promotes collagen production, improving skin elasticity. Regular use can keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant, making castor oil a natural alternative to expensive anti-aging products. Castor oil's rich fatty acid content helps plump up the skin, filling in fine lines and wrinkles. Its moisturizing properties keep the skin hydrated, which is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. Over time, regular application can lead to firmer, more resilient skin that looks and feels younger. 9. Eases menstrual pain. Castor oil can be a natural remedy for menstrual cramps. By massaging the oil onto your abdomen, you can benefit from its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. The warmth of the oil helps to relax the uterine muscles, reducing pain and discomfort. This can be particularly beneficial for those who experience severe cramps during their menstrual cycle. Castor oil packs are a popular home remedy for menstrual pain. By applying a warm castor oil pack to the abdomen, you can increase blood flow and reduce muscle spasms, leading to significant pain relief. This natural remedy can be a safer and more effective alternative to over-the-counter pain medications. 10. Treats acne. Castor oil's antimicrobial properties make it effective in treating acne. By applying the oil to affected areas, you can reduce inflammation and kill acne-causing bacteria. The oil's ability to penetrate deep into the skin helps to unclog pores and prevent future breakouts. Additionally, castor oil's moisturizing properties help to balance the skin's natural oil production, reducing excess oiliness and shine. Castor oil's ability to fight bacteria and reduce inflammation makes it a powerful ally in the battle against acne. Its moisturizing properties ensure that the skin remains hydrated without becoming greasy, which can help prevent new acne from forming. Regular use can lead to clearer, healthier skin. 11. Boosts circulation. Castor oil can help improve blood circulation, which is vital for overall health. By applying castor oil to your skin, you can stimulate the lymphatic system, which helps remove toxins from your body. Improved circulation also means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your cells, promoting faster healing and overall wellness. To use castor oil for boosting circulation, massage it into your skin in a circular motion, focusing on areas where you feel tight or sore. This can be especially beneficial before bed, as it helps relax your muscles and promotes restful sleep. 12. Strengthens nails. Applying castor oil to your nails and cuticles can help strengthen them and prevent breakage. The high vitamin E content in castor oil nourishes your nails, making them less prone to splitting and peeling. Regular use can also help your nails grow longer and stronger over time. Simply massage a small amount of castor oil onto your nails and cuticles each night before bed. Over time, you'll notice your nails becoming healthier and more resilient. How to use castor oil for maximum benefits. To get the most out of castor oil, it's important to know how to use it correctly. Here are a few methods to incorporate castor oil into your daily routine. Method 1. Oral consumption. Take a small amount of castor oil orally to help relieve constipation and boost your immune system. Be sure to follow the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional before starting this regimen. Method 2. Massage. Massage castor oil into your skin to relieve joint pain, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. This method is particularly effective for targeting sore muscles and stiff joints. Method 3. Mixing with carrier oils. Blend castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil for a soothing skin or hair treatment. This mix can enhance the moisturizing and nourishing effects of the castor oil, making it easier to apply and less viscous. Method 4. Castor oil packs. Apply a generous amount of castor oil to a piece of cloth and place it on your abdomen or any other area of discomfort. Cover with plastic wrap and place a heating pad on top for 30 to 60 minutes. This method is particularly effective for relieving menstrual cramps and promoting liver health. Method 5. Eyelash and eyebrow treatment. Use a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab to apply castor oil to your eyelashes and eyebrows. This can help promote growth and make them thicker and fuller over time. Method 6. Nail and cuticle care. Massage a drop of castor oil into your nails and cuticles before bed. This will strengthen your nails and keep your cuticles hydrated, preventing hangnails and breakage. Method 7. Foot care. Apply castor oil to your feet and cover with socks before going to bed. This can help soften calluses and cracked heels, leaving your feet smooth and soft by morning. Understanding the amazing benefits of castor oil and incorporating it into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. From enhancing sleep quality to relieving joint pain, castor oil is a versatile and powerful natural remedy. Remember to always use it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy. See you next time.